How to change a language on Fiverr. Are you guys facing issues to change your language on Fiverr application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Fiverr app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on Preferences and click on Language. As soon as you click on Language, you'll be forwarded to this section. Scroll down and search for Fiverr. Click on Language. You can see languages like Italian, Netherlands, Dutch, French. Just select it according to your preference. If you want to change it to Spanish, tap on Spanish. Go back to your app. Your app will be refreshed in order to change your language. So as you guys can see, our language has been changed. That's it guys. That's how we're going to change our language on Fiverr application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.